Hello everyone. Today I will discuss about a special day of India. Today is 72nd Republic Day. Today is 26th January 2021. Today is Republic Day of India. On this day of 1950, the Constitution of Independent India was officially enacted by replacing the Government of India Act 1935. Celebration of the Republic Day. Republic Day is commemorated through national flag hosting, parades, and distribution of sweets at various places of India. Every year in the evening of the same day, Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan, and Padma Shri awards are given in India. The difference between hosting the flag of Independence Day and Republic Day. On Independence Day, the flag has to be hosted from the bottom to top. On other hand, the flag in Republic Day is on the top. It is not lowered. After the flag is unveiled, the hosting of the flag is done through salutation. History of the Republic Day. History of establishment of Constituent Assembly. After long negotiations and finally a decision was made about Constituent Assembly. The first Constituent Assembly of India was formed in 1946 and the first session of this Constituent Assembly was held on 9th December 1946. Dr. Rajendra Prasad became the permanent president of this Constituent Assembly on 11th December. History of the Drafting Committee to create a constitution. The Constituent Assembly of India formed a total of 10 committees to draft the Constitution of India. A draft committee was constituted to review these committees. The members of this committee are Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, K.M. Munshi, N.G. Iyengar, A.K. Iyer, Muhammad Shadullah, etc. The chairman of this committee was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. On November 26, 1949, the draft constitution was approved by the Constituent Assembly. The last session of the Constituent Assembly was held on January 24, 1950, and 2 days later, on January 26, the Constitution of India came into force. Why the Constitution of India came into force on 26th January? In 1929, Jawaharlal Nehru presided over the Lahore session of the Congress. As proposed by that session, the subjugated India celebrated its first Independence Day on 26th January 1930. Thus, every year from 1930 to 1947, 26th January was observed as Independence Day of the subjugated India. Although India gained independence on 15th August 1947, it was decided to observe 16th January as Republic Day to commemorate the historical significance of the day. And the Constitution of Independent India came into force on 26th January 1950. From then, 26th January 1950 has been celebrated every year in India with due dignity as Republic Day. Some information about the Constitution of India. The Constitution of India is the largest and most complex constitution in the world. The Constitution of India provides for a federal system of government. The Constitution of India have been affected and influenced by other constitutions of the world. It has taken many rules from different countries like Great Britain, Canada, Ireland, USA, and Australia, etc. There are 14 fundamental duties of the people, like to abide by the Constitution and respect its ideals and institutions, the national flag and the national anthem, to uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity, and integrity of India, etc. The Constitution of India recognizes six fundamental rights of the people, and the rights are as follows. Number 1, right to equality. Number 2, right to freedom. Number 3, right against exploitation. Number 4, right to freedom of religion. Number 5, cultural and educational rights. Number 6, right to constitutional remedies.
We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic.
Part of the first line of the preamble to the Constitution. These blue-colored words are the nature of the nation. Now I am discussing the explanation of these words. Sovereign. India has the ultimate power to decide domestic and foreign policy. India is not bound to obey orders or directives or requests of states or agencies in foreign countries. Socialist. The establishment of ownership of the state and society and the equal distribution of the wealth produced among all members of society is generally called socialism. But in India, the emphasis has been on building a socialist style society through a state and privately owned economy. Secular. India has no religion of its own. Every citizen of India can practice religion in his own faith. India does not discriminate any religion in any particular corner. Democratic. Democracy means the rule of the people. In the Constitution of India, democracy is basically defined as the suffrage of adulthood. In that case, it is stated that electing representatives in the central and provincial legislatures and various autonomous bodies through voting. Republic. The President is at the top of the governance of India. He is also indirectly elected by the people of India. The people are the source and the protector of the Constitution of India. There is no place for a king or queen in a hereditary corner. For this reason, India is a republic country. Now I have explained all the words, meaning of all the words which is used in the Constitution. And that's all for today. Thank you.